So we're going to begin by connecting the LNET converter to the laptop first. Next, we're going to hook up the F1 and F2 wires to the outdoor unit. Once we have F1 and F2 connected, it is polarity sensitive. The way I have this set up, the red is on the left terminal, the white is on the right terminal, and that signifies F1 on the left, F2 on the right, and we're going to plug it into the RS485 connection terminal on the LNET converter. So once everything is connected, we are going to power on the system using our wireless controller. I'm going to launch the SNET Pro 2 software. Starting at the top of the left icon, I'm going to choose my serial port. I've confirmed my COM port is COM port 8. I will connect to the system. And it'll ask you right away, select communication layer. For this particular system, it's going to be set layer F1 and F2. And so we're going to select that. So with the correct COM port selected, once you hit connect, SNET Pro 2 will begin scanning the communication network and automatically discovering the connected outdoor and indoor units. SNET Pro will show you outdoor unit data, and it covers the frequency of the compressor, the position of the four-way valve, the pipe temperatures in and out of the evaporator coil or condenser coil. And then there's another tab on the bottom for the indoor unit data. We can see the fan speed, the set temperature, the room temperature. We can see the evaporator temperatures in and out, serial numbers, and so forth. And there's another tab, indoor unit installation data. And this shows you all of the option codes that are in the system currently from the factory. And after the scan is complete and you verified all equipment appears on the system tree, you are ready to begin commissioning, monitoring, troubleshooting, and configuring the system to the application.